We've just had a goat baby. Oh my goodness. We went out to get a turkey and came home and there's a baby goat. Oh my freaking goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It looks just like Daddy. Oh my goodness. She hasn't even dropped her afterbirth here. Oh my goodness, we've got a baby. Welcome, little one. Welcome to the heavy metal homestead. Oh, we're falling over. Hang on. Good girl. Good girl, Three Socks. Good girl. That's a good girl. Yes. Good mommy. We gotta get this other little one up. Buck, get out of here. Come on, dude. Hi. Hello. And this other one's still trying to breathe here. Let's get the mucus out of your mouth. Let's get all that stuff out of your mouth. Come on. Come on. Get all that out. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Congratulations, Three Socks. They're gonna have afterbirth all over the GoPro. This is great. Well, this is no good. We got two little babies out here crying and no sign of Mom, because Mom is inside, not giving a shit. Not exactly Mother of the Year here so far. I made sure these babies got a meal this morning, but I'm having to tie this goat up, put a collar on her, and tie her legs so she doesn't kick. And she gave up a lot less resistance this morning, but she's still leaving her babies out here all alone, and she's supposed to be right next to them. Yeah, you guys shouldn't be sitting out here. You should be inside with Mom. Yeah. Yeah, let's move you guys. Where it's nice and cool. Yeah, they want a nurse. And she's over here. Yeah. You're supposed to be next to your babies. Letting them nurse. Not difficult, Mom. Difficult, Mom. Just so you'll let them eat. Shit, where is it? Come and get it. Yeah. Come and get it. Hey, no kicking. No kicking. Oh. Mama's been being very difficult, so without a milking stand, I gotta bribe her with food. Well, your mom's being a brat. Her foot came loose. That's not helping. She's able to try to get away with that. No. Yeah, we're not letting her do that. That's a dick move, goat. Dick move, goat mama. Dick move. Move forward and let them nurse you. I know, you were eating and everything. Let them eat. Come on. Alright. One. Let's get you back on there, little girl. Goat, you are really testing. Stop kicking. These are your babies. Oh my God. You are like the worst mom right now. Stop kicking. Little goats. You got enough to eat? I hope so. We had to cut your mom loose. Does it look like you have enough to eat? I hope so. Yeah.